Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, welcome back to Combo Fishing USA. Today's video is all about my son, nephew, and his friends catching the fish. To be honest with you guys, because I'm not using spawn sack, I rather have no rain, low water, clear water is better than rain, okay? When it rains, it just keep raining and raining. Now it's raining again and the river water is rising and fishing become more difficult. It doesn't matter what bait you use, okay? And now I'm gonna be go and get some spawn sack from my nephews, maybe 10 of those, the smaller ones, like about this big, okay? You know, it's good for when they clear water, but I prefer a bigger spawn sack when the river water is bad. The bigger spawn sack seem to do very well when the water visibility is low. I hope you enjoy the video. Once again, guys, if you guys want to order combo baits, please check the link in the description. And I really appreciate you all. Please stay tuned to see all the catches.
Bad cast. Yeah.
Hey, don't you go get snagged.
Tell that guy. Tell what's it, it's Andrew, right? Oh, that's big. That's big. Is it big? Ah, felt big. Oh.
No. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
You want to get it?
Yeah, I'll get one. Oh, she's pissed. We got an R2 as well, right here.
I got two of these bad boys.
Down here, I don't know if I got the R2.
Then I got an R2 on its GCX. Yep.
Is it 4.5 or 4.75?
475.
Okay, that's what I thought. A little spicy. No. Jesus Christ. I think it's on the fucking run. You got him on there?
Yep. Guess what, man?
Oh, look at him. He got the camera going. I like it.
that? What the fuck? Oh, another fish. Jesse? Jesse?
Oh yeah.
Oh snap.
Andrew!
I'll get him.
Tell him to bring the net.
Double.
You want to get double photo, Jesse?
If I get this thing in first, I'm not gonna count my signature ahead. This one feels decent.
I'll just take this seriously. Now it's starting to pick up. That we look. Yeah, it could be egg wagon. But the fin's clear, she's chrome. I don't know. Not purple. I'm gonna have to egg mama.
Keep it.
There we go. All the cherries and stuff from them still over there.
No, you need Big Mama eggs.
Huh?
Give me more Big Mama eggs.
The Steelhead eggs suck.
You use it yet? I
Yeah.
can catch one of the Steelhead eggs. That one's just really booty. That secure that you made.
You literally cured it yourself.
No, you did. You just put random stuff in there.
What are you talking about?
You did that. Trade.
What are you talking
I
about?
can make Lucas catch one real fast.
We'll go on you.
Use this one.
Lucas, reel in. Actually, don't keep going.
The Steelhead eggs suck.
Hey. I'm on Lucas. Oh.
Got one?
Fish up.
Don't. There we go.
Reel it in. Reel it in.
Not like reel it in. No, you're fine, Lucas. Yeah, stuff the box, okay?
What's your line?
I get you big fresh eggs. So you got the new fish, okay? Okay, reeled in now.
Patience is worth it. Keep real, Andrew.
The fish is over there.
It's right there.
Oh, I thought someone else. Okay. Alright, Lucas.
Can't see it. There we go. Loose the line. Loose the line. Open the bail.
Open the bill. Just leave it open, just control it.
Look at that.
Now they're starting to go.
Nice, dude.
What do you think? Fight hard?
Incredible. Yeah, it was so much fun.
Guess what?
Indian guy birthday.
One more cat.
Fish, mama.
Is that on peak?
stay right here. They'll divide in the middle. Alright, I'm gonna stop fishing till. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting something.
You want to fish after?
Yeah, I wanna go to you first. It's me and you tonight. We look like a whole homeless camp over there.
Fishing with my camera.
Oh my god.
Wait.
The fuck happened? Oh snap! Give me a net. Give me a net.
Oh, net. Who needs net? You'll take the net.
Why is there so many leaves in
I
it?
don't know why there's so many leaves.
Pissed off one.
Jesse, what color?
Pink. Been running pink all day. Nothing but.
Orange, too.
Not me. I've really done nothing but pink today.
I've lost one on an orange and caught one on an orange. And he lost one on an orange just a second ago.
Good net. Hell yeah. Oh, and the hook popped out in the net. Even better. Look at it. Oh yeah.
Shit.
Dude's pissed. Oh yeah.